You alright guys, how are we all doing? It's Andy here from Peninsula Painting Projects, and before we start this video, don't forget I've got a Facebook group called Peninsula Hobby and Chill, and I'd like to see you all come along, join the group, share all your works in progress, let us know what you're purchasing, all stuff like that. Let's grow this hobby, let's grow the community. So in today's video we're going to have a look at Conquest issue 11. Now in this we're getting 3 Primaris Aggressors equipped with Storm Flame cannons, which is pretty decent. It's only $7.99 as usual. So we're going to turn the camera around, take a little look at this. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Leave a comment and I'll see you in a minute. Nice one guys, try. So just remove the package, and as you can see we've got 3 40mm bases in this, and they've got the little rivet holes already marked out for us. And what you do is you place one of the feet in there, and we've got a little bolt gun there, like a servitor skull there, and like a bit of a building there, so you can pop them on to your base, make it look a bit thematic. Let's remove this out of the way so we can have a little look at the models first. Let's pop this other light on. So as we can see, we get 3 Primaris Aggressors on this spring. So we've got the backpacks here, one there, and where's the other one? One there. We've got the power fist here. We've got the flame storm gauntlets. So I've already got 2 of these sets from, Christmas last year. I got 2 of them, one from the Blood Angels and one from the Space Wolves. So this is going to go towards my secret Conquest army, which I need to reveal in the next coming weeks. This easy to build kit is £20, but by purchasing that you're already saving the further £10, because the actual multi-kit Aggressors box is £30. But by buying the easy fit kit, easy to build kit, you're actually saving £10. So it's a good little bargain here. It's a nice detailed miniature. The heads are separate, so you could swap them out for a Space Wolves head or Blood Angels head or whatever you want. Ultramarines, if that's what you're collecting. And it's a nice little bit of kit really, isn't it? So we've had a little look at this now, haven't we? Let's have a look at the magazine. We ever put it on the floor. This is the magazine, as I said, issue 11. Nice bit of artwork on the front, professionally painted Aggressors there by the heavy metal team. So we're getting the Primaris Aggressors build and painting guide. It's pretty straightforward, and new weapons and missions in the back. So we've got a bit of information here about the Aggressors, which are new to 8th edition, for anyone who didn't know. But for beginners, they might not have known that. On the front here we've got the Heretic Dark Angels Aggressor there. So like once again, if you're new to the hobby, there's a lot of people who reckon that the Dark Angels are actually Chaos, not of the Adeptus Astartes. So there's a bit of information about the Gravis armor. So the number 1 here, which in fact, just realised, this Aggressor here is not the one that you're getting in this magazine. This has got the Fragstorm grenade launcher and the auto bolt storm gauntlets. We don't get that, we just get the flame storm cannons here. Flame storm gauntlet, should I say. So that's a bit, would have been better for them to actually done a bit of information, real information about the ones that you actually get in the set. So the Gravis 10 armour, Mark 10 Gravis armour there. Here's a bit of more information about the Warzone of Ultramar, which I think this is the current storyline running through the game now. Through the Black Library books. A bit more information, and then we've got a little bit of a story here, Salamanders versus Orcs, which, if anyone didn't know, they both hate each other's guts. There's a bit of a past story with Armageddon, a planet called Armageddon. There's a bit more information there. How to build your aggressor, you know, clip them off, glue them together. It's an easy fit, so I think they just snap together, I think. How to paint it, which is the same as the previous ones because we've got no new paint yet, I don't think. And there's some rules and missions. So there's 3 aggressors versus 12 poxwalkers and 3 plague marines. I can't see them winning, to be honest. And that's that. Some extra rules. I'm not sure whether we got that rule in the last one, but I'm sure we've seen these before. I'm sure we did. Anyway, the plasma gun's definitely been brought up in the previous issues. And what we get next week and the week after. So we are getting our first Death Guard character, who is the Foul Blight Spawn. I'm looking forward to buying that. I've never purchased that ever. And then we're getting some of your first terrain kit, armor containers, which if anyone's been following me on social media, on YouTube, I have got 0 terrain, and this is one of the main reasons why I've subscribed to this, because I need terrain, and I'll probably buy 2 or 3 of these, to be honest, because like I said, I've got none, and I wouldn't mind doing it in the blue, red and green like they've done on here as well. So guys, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment, and I'll see you soon. Thanks for watching. Tra.